I'm going to show you 6 of the hottest online platforms that could be your ticket to extra cash. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how much can I really make? Is this legit or a scam? And do I need any special skills? Well, guess what? You're in the right place, because in this video, I'll be answering some of your most pressing questions and showing you 6 legit websites that you can use to turn your spare time into making cold hard cash. All right, let's talk money. You want to know how much you can really make on these platforms? Well, picture this. Some sites can make you a cool $10 a day for chilling and scrolling. Others, we're talking serious cash for skills you already have. It's all about finding your sweet spot and maximizing your grind. Look, I get it. Scams are everywhere. But don't worry, these sites are legit. We're talking real opportunities to make more money in your spare time. Whether you're into quick tasks or flexing your skills, I've got you covered. Do you need to be a rocket scientist to make money online? Nope. Some of these platforms are easy peasy. You don't need a degree or special training. But hey, if you've got skills to share, even better. There's a spot for everyone in this online money-making game. First up, we got Rapidworkers. Think of it like Uber for marketing tasks. You're basically completing microtasks like voting on YouTube videos, liking Facebook pages, or following Instagram accounts. Stuff you might already be doing for free, right? But here's the twist. Rapidworkers pays you for your likes and follows. Now, we're not talking about buying a mansion with this money, but around $10 per day for minimal effort. Not bad, especially if you're chilling on your lunch break and scrolling through social media anyway. It's like getting paid to do what you already do, except now you're making some extra cash on the side. Pretty cool, right? Now, if you're feeling like your skills are going to waste in your 9-to-5, well, fret no more, because Sprout Gigs could be your new best friend. This platform is like a matchmaker for freelancers like you and me. It connects you with businesses that need your expertise, whether you're a writing whiz, a design guru, or a web development master. Now, this isn't just about clicking buttons like Rapidworkers. Here, you get to showcase your skills and experience by choosing gigs that fit your profile. You'll be setting your own rates and earning per project, which means the earning potential is significantly higher. It's like having your own freelance marketplace, but without all the hassle of finding clients yourself. Of course, with greater earning potential comes more effort. You'll need to put in the work to complete the projects and deliver high-quality results to keep clients happy and coming back for more. But hey, if you're looking to level up your side hustle and earn some serious dough, then Sprout Gigs is definitely worth checking out. Just remember, the success you see on this platform depends on the skills you bring to the table and the effort you put in. So, hone your craft, showcase your awesomeness, and get ready to turn your skills into cash with Sprout Gigs. Next, if you ever felt like you were stuck in a rut with surveys, answering questions about breakfast cereal and laundry detergent for pennies, well, ditch those boring surveys and level up with Prolific. This platform is different because you're not just contributing to market research for the next best dish soap. You're helping out with academic and market research studies that can actually contribute to valuable insights and advancements. Pretty cool, right? And guess what? While you're contributing to good causes, you're also getting paid handsomely for your time. Prolific studies are flexible and can pay up to $7 per hour, which is way better than those surveys offering you a few cents for your opinion on the latest flavor of toothpaste. Now, the catch? Prolific studies aren't always available, and they might require a bit more time and effort compared to those quick click-through surveys. But hey, if you're looking for meaningful surveys that pay you well and fit your schedule, then Prolific is definitely worth checking out. Just remember to check back regularly for new studies, and who knows, you might just be contributing to the next big scientific breakthrough, all while boosting your bank account in the process. So, ditch the boring surveys and unlock the potential of meaningful research with Prolific. Moving on, if you're feeling like your voice deserves to be heard but not sure where to start, well, look no further than Tellwut, your one-stop shop for sharing your opinion and getting rewarded for it. This platform is all about surveys and polls on a wide range of topics, from current events and pop culture to everyday products and services. The more you participate, the more what points you rack up. which you can then redeem for gift cards or even cash. Think of it like this. You're contributing to real-world research and shaping the future of products and services you actually use, all while earning some extra cash on the side. It's a win-win situation, right? Now, Tellwut might not make you rich overnight, but it's a fun and easy way to make your voice count and earn some rewards for your opinions. Plus, you never know, your insights might just be the missing piece of the puzzle for a brand trying to develop the next big thing. So, if you're looking for a casual way to contribute and earn at the same time, then Tellwut is definitely worth checking out. Just remember, the more you participate, the more you earn. So get ready to share your voice and get rewarded for it. Next up, if you ever felt like you're just a cog in the machine, consuming products and services without any say in how they're made, well, don't worry, Toluna is here to change the game. This platform is like a community hub where you can go beyond surveys and actually influence the future of products and services you use every day. Here's the deal. Toluna lets you engage in discussions about various topics related to products and services. You can also create your own content, like blog posts or videos, sharing your thoughts and experiences. And guess what? The more you participate, the more points you earn, which you can then redeem for rewards like gift cards and cash. But Toluna isn't just about earning points. It's about having a voice and shaping the future of the products and services you use. Imagine being able to tell a brand directly what you like about their product and what you think they could improve. Pretty cool, right? Now, this platform might require a bit more effort than just clicking through surveys, but it's also more rewarding in the long run. You're contributing to a community, shaping the future of products you care about, and earning some extra cash on the side. So if you're looking to go beyond just being a consumer and become an influencer, then Toluna is definitely worth checking out. Remember, the more you participate and share your valuable insights, the more you influence the future and earn some rewards in the process. All right, calling all product enthusiasts and app downloaders. If you ever wished you could get paid to try out the latest gadgets and gizmos, well, Ysence is your new best friend. This platform is like a smorgasbord of tasks, offering a diverse mix of ways to earn some extra cash. We're talking about everything from taking surveys and trying new products to downloading apps and watching videos. The more tasks you complete, the more cash you accumulate, making it a potential source of steady income if you're active on the platform. Now, Ysence tasks might not all be created equal. Some might require more time and effort than others, and the payouts can vary depending on the complexity of the task. But hey, the beauty of Ysence is the variety it offers. You can choose tasks that fit your interests and schedule, whether you have a few minutes to spare or a longer chunk of free time. Remember, Ysence won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it's a flexible and fun way to explore new products, contribute to market research, and boost your bank account in the process. So, if you're looking for a diverse side hustle that keeps things interesting, then Ysence is definitely worth checking out. Just remember to explore the different tasks, choose what works for you, and get ready to turn your everyday activities into extra cash. All right, MoneyBot crew, that's it for today. Remember, these 6 websites are just the tip of the iceberg. The side hustle world is overflowing with opportunities, so keep your eyes peeled, stay curious, and explore what works best for you. And hey, if you find any hidden gems out there, share them in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep working.